Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. 안녕하세요. 타카프75입니다. 你好,我是 타카프75. konnichiwa. 私は 타카프75 です. So hey guys, and I apologize for not posting up a video. I've been super busy with work and all that stuff. So I do apologize for not posting up a video. Also, the last couple of days has been pretty nice weather. Today it was really nice weather outside. If you guys don't know, I do play tennis a lot, and I'm trying to get my figure back or trying to lose weight, so I do play tennis in order to enjoy some time and as well as lose weight and also perfect my game. But that's besides the point. So today I'll be opening the this Gaia Volcano booster box that I actually purchased when I went to Tokyo in March. And without further ado, let's just get started. It's been great on my side of the life. I hope you guys are having or been doing well. I do have some things going on and opportunities to open stuff. So of course the stuff that I purchased in Tokyo. So I will be posting as soon as I can those videos. What else? A lot of people have been opening the Emerald Break, which they pull some amazing pulls, as well as some English set stuff, Flygon collection boxes and stuff like that. Which, in my opinion, now that I've opened the Japanese, I haven't opened that much English sets, which is kind of disappointing. But I do feel, and I think you can agree, or some people can agree, that the English set compared to the Japanese is a stronger sort of set in the sense of its quality and affordability. So yeah, pretty cool. Okay, so here is the box itself. I'm gonna do this in two parts just because of I don't want the video to be too long. So we'll just open 10 packs. Okay, I do apologize. It's just I do also don't want to make too long videos. Okay. So promotional card, you guys are used to this because by this point, if you're not, you can look at my past videos. So we have a Rhyperior, a Grovyle, a Rhydon, a Electric Ancient Trait, and we start off with a Hollow Excadrill, which I like a lot actually. Next pack. Kadal. If I don't know the name, I apologize. I haven't opened any English sets of this set, so I apologize if I don't mention anything. I do know how to pronounce it in Japanese, but most of my viewers are not Japanese, so I won't say it. Meditite, Nidorina, Shroomish, and a nice Aggron EX. So I already have a Hollow and an EX. Next pack. Okay, so we have a Breloom, then we have Torchic, Tangela, Vulpix, and a Hollow Hippowdon. Next pack. Sceptile, pretty cool. A Nidoran female, Hippopotas, Zigzagoon, and a regular Excadrill. Nice pack. Okay, so we have a Ninetales, Slugma, Electric, Bunnelby Ancient Trait, and a nice rare candy. I remember the rare candy, the shiny rare candy from Plasma Blast, which was a pretty cool shiny to get. So we have a Nidoqueen Ancient Trait, Combuskin, sorry. Then we have a Doublade, Torchic Ancient Trait, and a nice Hollow Manectric Hollow. Pretty cool card. Okay, 4 more packs to go. Okay, Primal Groudon Spirit Link, or Groudon Spirit Link. A Duggar's Bee, Honedge, Solrock, and Maxie's something. I apologize once again. I do know how to pronounce it in Japanese, but like I said before, most of my viewers do not speak Japanese, so unfortunately I won't pronounce it in Japanese. So we have a Metachamp Ancient Trait, Vibrava, Drillbur, a Grovyle. Oh, nice! Is this the? Oh no, it's not. I thought I was getting my hopes up. Primal Groudon EX. Very cool card. Not bad. So 2 EXs so far. Back. Okay, Nidoqueen, Vulpix, Trico, Nosepass, which I have a shiny of this in the game, my Pokemon Y game. And I believe this is Metal Energy, if I'm not mistaken. You can correct me. I don't get offended if someone corrects me, by the way. And the last pack, you have Teammates, a Laloon, a Rhydon, a Zigzagoon, and nice way to end with a Blaziken Hollow. Okay, so just a quick recap. Blaziken Hollow, Excadrill Hollow, Hippowdon Hollow, Manectric Hollow. Then the 2 EXs were the Aggron EX and the Primal Groudon EX. So not bad. Of course, it's great to pull the Primal Groudon EX with the ability Gaia Volcano, which is the name of the box of this box. So thank you guys so much for watching. Arigatou gozaimasu. Sheshe 감사합니다. Obrigado. Grazie. Dankeschön. Sheshe 감사합니다. And hope to see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for the support. Stay tuned for part 2 of this box. Later, guys. Bye.